All right, Mike, I'm out here. Nobody here yet. Well, some people walking their dog. No one parked here yet. Probably, you probably don't want to park in here yet. Or maybe you can, I don't really know. I parked on the street because I figured there's probably some type of curfew here. I don't even know if it's 7 o'clock yet. But look, it's hecka nice out here. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a nice one today. It definitely is. So, I like the nice weather. I don't like when it's hecka hot. I do, but I like the morning and the nighttime when it's hot. You know what I'm saying? I don't want that midday super duper hot. That's when you gotta find the shade. But like right now, I'm about to put the t-shirt on dang near. Mike, I'm out here super up close and personal, zoomed in. Are we wasting footage? Yeah, we are. This zoom button is like, if you were a metal detector, you'd be the only one here right now. If someone's got their tent set up, that's what's up. I would tent like out right here. That's hecka tight. Just as long as you know, keep it moving here and there. Just keep it moving a little bit. All right, Mike, I'm out here. Yeah, it's hecka nice right now. I'm about to try this sand scoop, homemade sand scoop. I had to leave the logo on it. Shout out to Sweet Baby Ray's. It should have been like more. Ooh, what? Like you could walk out pretty far though. Like I could probably walk out pretty far right now. I don't know what kind of benefits it's gonna give me. You do kind of want to stay where people drop stuff. Yeah, I watched some more of, well, isn't that nice? I watched some more of Treasure Outdoors, Austin, out there in Florida. He was hunting with this thing on jewelry, the ring, because he was getting some stuff not showing up. And we'll take it down a little bit on the sensitivity. I think that should be pretty much good to go. There was something right there. So we're still learning. It went something right there. Well, I guess we should, I don't know how well this is gonna work. I don't actually know how well it's gonna work. It does work a little bit. Hey, you know, I'm trying. So we might just do dry sand again. Well, there's something there. Let's try. Can we just try to get at this thing? What? No, you didn't. Yeah, I knew you didn't. That hurts my wrist a little bit. It's just not cut. It's not cut correctly. But did it get it though? That's the question. No. It gets it for a second, but only for a second. This is called, this is how you try. You gotta try though. It is lightweight, more useful than anything else I've used so far. Will we get it? We're just out here practicing. Of course, not very good at anything, but still we try. we want to see. It's not possible, y'all. Why do I gotta buy something? I swear, this is working, but it won't work good enough, will it? What's wrong with my ingenuity? What's wrong with what I do? Okay. That could have worked. That could have worked. It didn't, but could have. I have gloves, but then they're just gonna get wet. That could have worked. That could have worked. Do I gotta carry this the whole time now? I'm making this work. All right, so we're back again. We were here yesterday. What do we got now? We gonna find anything today? Who knows? Should I take this horseshoe thing off? $18. See, I don't know how this does. Yeah, I thought maybe if I had a stronger bottle than the one I had yesterday. Apparently I need some Tide bottle or something. This is also a comedy channel. This is all a test. Well, it sounds like something's there, and it says 34. We're gonna make this scoop work. It's not the best design ever. I'm gonna make this scoop work. I'm gonna get at least one thing with it. Oh, it's gonna make me work, isn't it? What is it? What is it? It's a bolt? It's a bolt. We got it. The sand scoop works. That says 18. 20. I don't know, you make the call. Yeah, that worked. I mean, I don't know. There's been better designs, but it's cool. I don't have the gloves on here today. I'm touching nature. It's good. Everything's nice and legal. Hello. The sand scoop, eh. Yep. OAKMD. That is, yeah, good enough. No one can read that. Let's go. Let's pick up some trash. There were a heck of people here yesterday picking up trash. What happened? Well, I guess it came in with the water. Let's keep going. I want to get closer, but I just can't, because the water is going to keep coming in. We need a real sand scoop. We do. But we're going to try to make this work. Four down. 4 down, 20. 4 down, 20 to go. All right. Okay, we're right at it. We are at it. Something in my hand. Some piece of metal. Good. There it is. Some piece of metal. Yeah. The equipment works. I'll probably say that a lot. It's an important thing, having the equipment work. All right, let's keep going. Do take that how you want to. Something right here. Right here. Is that right? Is that where it's at, Sweet Baby Rays? I gotta peel this sticker off though before I start littering. Oh my. Ah. I did it now. Now I messed up. Felt it. I mean, I heard it. I heard it. Don't play with me. I don't know if it's the sand, because I haven't tried this thing in a park yet. But I could say its reaction is a little bit slow in the wet sand, which probably is normal. It is picking up stuff. Like, it probably went deep on this thing too. All right, this is gonna start caving in on me. So it's able to go for deep items, but I'm still struggling here without the sand scoop. Unless, what about the Sweet Baby Rays? Can it get it? Come on, Sweet Baby Ray, let's get it. It's like, I'm not made for this. I was made for chicken. Imagine what the prize could be though. I am. That's why I'm still digging. Well, I'm knocking in the hole. Yes, this is professional metal detecting. It just keeps going. All right, nice, clean, fun. Yeah, I don't know how this thing does in... It's good to reconnect to nature, you know? If you weren't connected already. I'm connected. I got those mafia connections to nature, you feel me? Me and trees did dirt. Me and the trees did some dirt. What are you talking about? I don't know. Yeah, I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Too deep. Well, it could have been something. Something right here. Something right here. Is this Sweet Baby Ray good for anything other than barbecue sauce? I need a thicker plastic because it keeps like collapsing on itself. Don't try a milk jug, that's not gonna work. And if you were thinking Sweet Baby Ray, ow, I hit something that hurt. That's why gloves are a good idea. Ah, it got me on my fingernail, so it is like some type of screw or nail or something. Good. Yeah, this thing's working. It is working. We have not tried it on... We haven't tried it on We have not tried it on the beach yet. I mean, the park. Yeah, it's just a different machine than the Simplex. It's for sure a different machine. This thing seems to be digging a little bit better than the barbecue sauce container. It is getting us there. I'm not sure about the depth, if that's correct at this. I'm not sure if the depth meter is correct. Sometimes it says it's like 4 down and it's like right there. Yeah, a lot of nails. I feel like I should not be catching those, but maybe that doesn't even read anything. When it's buried, it reads something. When it comes out, it doesn't read anything. All right, let me try this some more. That was it though. All right, so that nail, I'm on jewelry mode right now. All right, so I don't know. Like I said, this is all a test. I keep pulling out nails and screws and bolts, but no gold yet. 12. No gold yet. I'm really not paying too much attention to the bar, how deep things are. I haven't got there yet. Just so far, it kind of wasn't reading correctly, but I don't know what I'm doing. So we're just gonna do like that. I think it came out. Yeah. What is it? Some type of coin? I think it's a nickel. Like super corroded nickel. That's a green one, y'all. Greenbacks. I think it's a nickel. Yeah, maybe a spray painted. That looks a little bit too green to just be natural. I don't know though. It'll flake away. I think that's a nickel. We'll check it out later. It's super green. All right, good. I'll take that. So what's a 31 then? I don't know. Probably like maybe like a quarter or something. Okay. I mean, I'm just using my imagination. It could be something good like a quarter. All right. It could have been something good like a quarter, but it was a nail. Now that doesn't read like anything. That's crazy. I don't know. There it is. Each machine is different. A buried nail sounds way different. That definitely had no sound when it came out. We're gonna have to figure all this out. That it's finding little stuff, but no gold yet. That's super duper little. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but it makes sense to why I couldn't find it. Now, could we get some gold like that? Like the littlest piece of... whatever this is. That's heck a little. How do I get this to stop reading? If that's gold, then yeah, that's fine. But I'm saying that's got to stop. I went from finding nothing to finding like the littlest item possible. I'd rather see like some stuff that was for show there. That's like, I don't know, questionable. More questionableness. Okay, something's there for sure. There, now we finally got something. It's at 8 or 9. So that's part of the learning process too, is just to be able to tell like when I should stop at certain signals and when I shouldn't. Because some stuff is just like, it could be just some type of false signal, you know? But this one is for real. Oh, is it a ring? Yeah. Yeah, we got a ring, y'all. That's a gold ring. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the Vanquish, second time. The second time out with the gold ring. What? How dirty is my screen? That's the second time out here with the gold ring. Straight up. That's what it looks like. Don't look at me. Look at the ring. Is there an inscription? Yeah, I think there is. Oh, we got a real gold one this time? I can't tell. I can't read anything. My camera work is like the best. I cannot read that. I'm sure the people cannot read it either. 18? Is it 18 karat? All right, I can't see anything. Neither can my GoPro. Can y'all see that? No, there's no way. All right, zoom in on your hand. Nah, that can't be seen, can it? Anyway, it's a ring. I think this is ring number 7. It looks like it says 18 karat. Possibly maybe the first real ring we've got. And though so many people do this Alameda beach, that's what I'm saying. It could be on the detector or the detectorist. What? Shining on them though? What? I'll take that. The price of gold is up. Yeah, it is. There it is. Mike, we out here. The second time out with the Vanquish 440. That's gold. Right there. Yes, sir. Let's see. Are people gonna ask me this time? Because I found something good this time. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Got a gold ring.
Nice.
Finally. It's been a while. Yeah. One 8. Something else here. All right, I don't have no fines pouch, so just hopefully this doesn't get lost or crushed or something. That's how we're playing it out here. Something right here, 11. It sounds like 11. Dang, someone lost their ring out here. There's so many people search this beach though, because it's like the only one we got out here. But that's what I'm saying. I'm thinking just like the amount of people that lose stuff, and like you can't be discouraged because other people are doing it. Like they might not even have the skill. I got faith in my skill because it's just gonna get better, and I really like doing this. So like that's pretty much it. That's why when I saw this machine, I saw Austin from Treasure Outdoors using this machine on one of his videos, and I was like, yes. He was saying all the stuff that I was thinking. And I was just watching some of his videos today with him testing some of the gold to see what. So that's why I'm in the jewelry mode. So yeah, shout out Austin from Treasure Outdoors. I was wondering, like, oh, the Modelo cap. Well, you can't win them all. There's some rate. That's what the normal, that's what you're usually gonna get. That's what you're usually gonna get. I can confirm that. There's been a lot of Modelo caps found by me. What? We got a ring? That was a real ring. Finally, we got a real ring. Like, I don't know. I don't know if any of the other ones I've got have been real so far. But maybe I should check this little area here, because I think maybe, well, that's where I got the ring. And also, this is where stuff might be getting pushed up here. 35, 36. I mean, we're gonna check that out because we need to know. We need to know. Yeah, and riding over here to like Alameda, I was like, man, like I think Monterey Magnet Man's gonna get his house in Monterey or wherever he wants. You know what I'm saying? I could see that for other people, but for me, I'm like, I don't know. But today, coming to Alameda, I'm like, I could do it. I could do it if I monetize my account, maybe. All right. Probably getting too juiced because I just caught a ring. But I'm saying, I'm dedicated to this. Living in Oakland is like, it's okay. I love Oakland, you know what I'm saying? But it'd be nice to be able to like live in Alameda, maybe. Like I'll take a house out here on the beach or something like that. I would. So if my account's ever monetized, you gotta watch like ads, just know it's going towards my beach house. I still don't know though, but the more, cause I kind of got to though, because it's like people don't take you seriously. Like I'm like, I want to do this for free, but people start only taking you seriously. It's like if you're about your money, it's like I'm not really about it. I'm about it, but it's not all that there is in life. But I might have to do it just to get to the next level. I'm gonna stay a cheap person like this right here. I don't care how much money I got, I'm gonna stay doing this all day. Best believe it. All right, I want more rings now. That was a strong signal that was over here before. It was a strong signal reading 30 something. Now it's reading nothing. Like I did a little bit of agitation here and it's like, nah, I ain't even trying to hear that no more. It was strong sounding though. Like that. What did that do to the train? It's something down there. All right, let's get it, sweet baby rays. Yeah, no matter All right, we're down there. The Sweet Baby Ray's probably got us to the next level. Going deep for this one. Yeah, it's a car. What? It's like a Tonka truck or something. Oh, the people are gonna be juiced today. What? How is this even here still? I've seen hella metal detectors on this beach. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna wash this off. There's no real water for that. What? Tonka on them? I don't know. Some type of Caterpillar or some type of construction equipment made in China. Yeah. I should do some type of picture, right? That's the new style. Where's my ring at? That's what I was thinking. I was like, I really got to up my thumbnail game. This is how you re-lose the ring. Need some type of different pouch, huh? Yeah, there it is. With the Sweet Baby Rays in the background though. All right. Get everything in the shot then. Are people even gonna see the ring? All right, that's enough. Mike, I'm out here, let's get it. Yeah, we got a Tonka truck. I mean a China Tonka. There's the ring again for the people. Good, 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 good. That's what I'm saying, I like it. I like it. I'm not going nowhere now. Now the metal detecting community stuck with me now and on my Oakland slang. Horrible. All right, I'm gonna have to start learning. Maybe not though. I mean, I did get a gold ring so far, but I'm also getting like nails. There it is. I wonder what the weight of that thing is, right? The gold price is up. People think I'm crazy out here. If you find enough rings, man, you can make this definitely be worth it. There it is. Another nail. Look, watch, that's not even gonna read. Nothing. Don't know. Don't know. There it is. Something down here. Get the old Sweet Baby Rays out. Right like that. That's right, Sweet Baby Ray. That's it. Why? That's a big bolt. I wonder if I'm gonna find that piece of metal that I found the other day. That's a big bolt. Am I magnet fishing? Look, I don't think that even read that. Oh, I'm mistaken. That said 18. Okay. That'll weigh down the pouch. Wow, okay. Yeah, tent stake. What are the chances? There's a tent right there, and here's a tent stake. Well, that's good. It lets you know. It lets you know that, I don't know what it lets you know, but it lets you know that there was a tent and it was right here and they forgot their tent stake.